How to create files with custom file names with PDF Image Printer 12. Whether you are using TIFF Image Printer, PDF Image Printer, or Raster Image Printer, with version 12 of Peernet's image printers, users now have the ability to add, edit, and reorder output file name parts to create unique file names. This might be of interest to you if you need to include information like the date and time of conversion, the department doing the conversion, or a unique file ID in your file name. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop to launch the image printer dashboard. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to your image printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Either create a copy of one of our system profiles or select Add Profile. I will create a copy of the system profile, Color Optimized TIFF, because I still want to create a color multi-page TIFF image. I just want to customize the file name. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it a Demo Profile and will add with file name for sales to the description. Typically, users that wish to carry out detailed file name customization using our file name creator do not wish to be prompted after each print. You may wish to begin by adjusting your prompting settings. Go to the File Name Creator tab. By default, the following file name parts will already be included in the File Name Part Editor. Output Location. This is the directory where your output file will be created. If you leave this blank, your image printer will save your output file to the last used folder or your My Documents folder. Output file name. You can enter a base file name here if you have one. If not, leaving this empty means that your image printer will use the document name from the print job. Making any changes to these two parts will be reflected on the Save Options tab, and vice versa. The next three parts allow you to change the number and style when creating serialized images, when avoiding overwriting an existing file with the same name, and when file splitting is enabled. You have the option to add or remove leading zeros, prefix text, and suffix text. Lastly, you can customize the file extension. By default, TIFF images are created with the standard file extension .tif. If you need a custom extension, simply enable this box and type in your preferred extension. In addition to these required file name parts, you can add additional parts to the file name part editor. Add a separator to your file name. This is useful for creating dynamic output folders on the fly. Add custom text, such as your company name. The custom text can be part of the file name or the directory path. Add the date of conversion to the file name. You can choose to add the year, month, or day, or all three. You can choose where you want them placed in your file name and whether you want the month before day or day before month. If you want an underscore between each date portion, include this prefix text and type an underscore into the box. Add the time of conversion to the file name. You can choose to add the hour, minute, or second, or all three. You can choose where you want them placed in your file name. If you want a hyphen between each time portion, enable include this prefix text and type a hyphen into the box. Add a unique file name ID or a GUID as part of the file name or directory path to ensure that all file names are always unique. When you are done customizing your file name, click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. If you wish to make this new profile the default profile used by the image printer, select Manage Printers. Beside your image printer, drop the box for the profile and select your new profile as the default. Save your changes. Printer management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close printer management and the dashboard. Now when you print to your image printer, your images will automatically be created using your custom file name specifications. Try out our PDF image printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below for a free trial.